How often do you cook at home? Have you ever thought about the health benefits it might offer? We're not just talking about the obvious benefits like saving money or knowing exactly what's in your meal. No, the benefits of home cooking go far beyond that, reaching into the realm of your personal health and wellness. Cooking at home isn't just a hobby or a chore, it's a small yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. Think about it. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients and portions, leading to a balanced diet. You also tend to avoid the unhealthy processed foods that are all too common in takeout meals. But that's not all. Home cooking also has a hidden health benefit that's often overlooked. It can be a great stress reliever. The act of cooking, the rhythm and process, can be therapeutic, offering a calming effect that's beneficial for your mental health. So, if you've been overlooking the kitchen, it might be time to reconsider. The frequency of your home cooking can impact your health in ways you might not have considered. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the health benefits of home cooking. Cooking at home is more than just a hobby or a necessity. It's a health booster. When you take control of your kitchen, you're taking control of your health. Home cooking gives you the reins, allowing you to choose what goes into your food, from the amount of salt to the type of oil used. But that's not all. Home cooking also lets you decide the portion sizes, helping you avoid the oversized servings often found at restaurants. This control can lead to lower calorie consumption, which is a big plus if you're watching your weight or trying to eat healthier. And let's not forget about nutrition. Preparing meals at home often means fresher ingredients and less processed foods. This can result in meals that are packed with vital nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed for overall wellness. But the magic of home cooking doesn't stop there. It also offers the freedom to experiment with different recipes and ingredients, encouraging a diverse diet that can lead to a broader nutrient intake. So, home cooking is not only satisfying but also a smart choice for your health. One of the key health benefits of home cooking lies in portion control. When you cook at home, you gain complete control over the ingredients and the size of your meals. This is a significant advantage over dining out, where portions are often oversized, leading to an excess intake of calories. Let's consider the impact of portion sizes on our overall calorie intake. When we consistently consume more than our bodies need, these extra calories are stored as fat, leading to weight gain over time. This can increase our risk for various health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. But with home cooking, you can easily adjust portion sizes to meet your specific dietary needs, whether you're aiming to lose weight, maintain, or even gain. Smaller portions can help reduce calorie intake, while larger portions can provide the extra energy needed for those with higher calorie demands. It's not just about controlling the quantity, but also the quality of our food. Home cooking allows us to choose healthier ingredients and cooking methods, contributing to a balanced diet and overall health. Remember, portion control is a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy weight and good health. So, what have we learned about the health benefits of cooking at home? It's clear that home cooking has a multitude of health benefits. One of the key advantages is the control it provides over the ingredients used in your meals. You're able to handpick high-quality, fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. This not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also ensures they are rich in essential nutrients. Moreover, home cooking allows you to manage portion sizes effectively. By serving appropriate portions, you can avoid overeating and maintain a balanced diet. This leads to lower calorie consumption, reducing the risk of weight gain and associated health issues. Another compelling benefit is the opportunity to limit harmful additives. Processed foods often contain excessive salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. But when you're the chef, you can choose healthier alternatives and limit these potentially damaging ingredients. In conclusion, cooking at home can be a delicious way to take charge of your health. So why not give it a try?